Hi everyone, how are you today? I hope you still in happiness. Okay. Today, I would like to explain how you should do before you're doing your research project. Okay, first, start thinking in an advance how you will organize your sources and structure your final report. Secondly, understand the purpose of an abstract and familiarize yourself with the structure. Third, review your project proposal and write. Okay, I mean you write a summary briefly of it. Okay, and last, share your summary. Approximately, it could be 200 words and provide feedback on each other's idea to develop them in the next.
In terms of trauma counselling and what we as journalists experience in the field, because for example myself, I've covered many wars. They do impact on you and you are going to suffer, and there needs to be more awareness in the industry. I appreciated some of the research. I felt it was unfair that a specific example was given on a Russian newspaper when there's a million examples. So I think we need to be careful about pinpointing specific examples when, for example, I also work for Russian television and I receive threats from the other side. So, but if